पिछले 3 बार से केजरीवाल जी सरकार बना रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा था गंगा के पानी का आचमन मैं जमुना के पानी का आचमन मैं खुद करूंगा। हालात ये हो गए कि अब की बार छठ पर वहां पर इतना प्रदूषित झाग बह रहा था कि पूजा करना मुश्किल हो गया था। सड़कों की हालत क्या हो गई। झुग्गी झोपड़ियों के लिए हर बार झूठे वादे होते हैं, पूरे नहीं होते। उनके गवर्नर एक नेता की तरह तो बोलते हैं, पर जनता के हित के लिए कोई काम नहीं करते। और इस बार हम दावे से कहते हैं कि शीला दीक्षित जी की सरकार के बाद फिर कांग्रेस की वापसी होगी।
Let's also get in our colleague Niyamika, who tracks the Congress for us, and she joins us live. You know, Niyamika, there is obviously a lot of compulsion that has come in from the Delhi state unit to ensure that we look like in a fight. And that is why Rahul Gandhi perhaps is saying what he's saying. But look at the larger impact. You know, the collateral damage is the India Alliance, the entire perception of all of them staying together. How will the Congress and Arvind Kejriwal even justify this?
Well, indeed, it has made it very clear on the part of the Congress party as well that we are in the fray. We are giving a clear fight to the Aam Aadmi Party, not just the BJP in the national capital. The manner in which the statements are coming in on the part of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. Even yesterday also we have seen that how he has questioned the Delhi model of the Aam Aadmi Party government. He has also said that whatever promises were being made by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal before the assembly elections, it has not been implemented on the ground, as he has also mentioned that how during the time of Sheila Dikshit government in Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal used to promise that he will end the corruption rate in the national capital, but that has not been implemented on the ground, and that is the only reason why he has also mentioned that why the same kind of strategy is being followed by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, what is actually being done by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said that just like the BJP speaks lies to the people of this country, the same thing is being followed by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal in the national capital. Today as well, when he was there